Hello, students. We are looking at the cosine rule. Cosine rule, just like the sine rule, you can also use it to solve for all types of triangle. And you can use the cosine rule to find either the side or interior angle of any triangle, depending on the information given to you. So I want us to look at the same triangle we drew in the sine rule. Look at this triangle. If you want to apply the cosine rule, what does it mean? When you take this, now let me transfer the diagram here so that you can follow what I'm saying better. This is the triangle. This is gamma, this is beta, this is alpha. The interior angles. Here A, B, C. A, B, C. The cosine rule is saying that when you take, for example, A squared, when you take A squared, then it should be equal to the square of the other two, B squared plus C squared minus, the minus is in the formula. 2 is constant, which is also in the formula. 2BC, 2 the product of these two. 2BC cos the angle facing this A you are finding. What is the angle facing A? Beta. That is what we call the cosine rule. Or if you take B, if you want to find B, then it's going to be B squared is going to be the other two. If you take B, I want to be the other two sides. A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos, what is the angle facing B? The angle facing this B is what? Alpha. So cos alpha. I hope you are following. Or if you want to find C, C squared is going to be, the other two will be what? If you take C, it will be left with A and what? B. Squared plus B squared minus 2, the product of these two, AB. AB cos the angle facing the C. What is the angle facing the C? Gamma. We call this the cosine rule. And you can use the cosine rule to find either the side or interior angle of a triangle. Now let's look at a question on this. We are told to use the cosine rule to find the value of x in this question. How does it work? So we want x. X is a side. So straight away, I'll write x squared. It will be what? X squared will be what? 50 squared plus 110 squared minus what? 2 times what? Let me write it down here so that I can transfer. X squared will be what? 50 squared plus 110 squared minus 2 times what? 50 times 110 cos the angle facing the x is what? 120. That is what we are saying. So let's transfer this and go. So x squared is equal to what? 50 squared plus 110 squared minus 250 times what? 110 cos 120. I have only transferred what I did here to the next page. Now I can clean this. Now, with our calculators, what do we get for 50 squared? So let's move on. We get x squared equals 2500 plus 110 squared is going to give us 12100 minus, here this one, 2 times 50 times, this will give us 11000 cos of what? 120. So x squared equals 2500 plus 12100 14600 minus, now you see 1100 three zeros, cos 120 will give us what? Negative 0.5, right? So what do you get? X squared equals, or better still, you can do it this way. You can do it this way, straightforward. You can enter 1100, this, enter this, enter the whole of this, break the minus, cos 120 is going to give my, I will still get a negative answer. Don't make mistake. The negative is already in a formula, so I've brought it. But 11,000 cos 120 will give me negative 5,500. Okay, 11,000 cos 120 will give me negative answer. So 14600 plus 5,500. Then what do I get? Let's add together. Take your calculators. We are adding. This will give us 20,100. Now we take the square root of both sides. And this will give us what? Square root of 141.7744. So to two decimal places, 44 something. So to two decimal places, I think I can end here. Go back to the question. Don't forget, I said something previously. This is plus or minus 141.77. Okay, but you know, this is a check, x is a distance, is a length, so you don't take the negative, you take the negative out. So 141.77, and the unit is newtons. I hope you are following. Great. So that is the cosine rule. Let's have another question. These two questions we are told to find the value of x. These two questions, I'm going to solve this one for you, then I'll give you the answer for this one. Then you solve it. All right? So in order to save time. So we are told to use a sign. We are solving this one for you. Then you do the second one. So what do we get? X squared. On the next line, we get x squared is equal to 6 squared plus 3 squared. Is that not it? So let me write x squared equals 6 squared plus what? 3 squared minus 263. Cos the angle facing x is what? 150 degrees. So let me transfer. 6 squared plus 3 squared minus 263. 2 by 6 times 3. Cos 100 and, is it 120 or 150? 150. 150 degrees. So let's move on. 36. This will give us 9, 2, 6, 12 times 3. 36 cos 150. Okay. X squared. This one will give us what? 36 plus 9 is going to give us what? 45. And when you enter 36 cos 150, you get a negative answer. Negative 31.1769. Okay. So x squared will be what? 45 plus 31.1769. So x squared will be what? we are adding. Get 76.1769. X will be the square root of 76.1769. And this will give you, take the square root of both sides, of course. X will be plus or minus. I want to go it systematically, that is why I'm cleaning it. So square root of 76.1769, you get 8.7279. I don't have to write all this one. That is the final answer. So in order to conclude, I will take the positive answer. X will be to 2 decimal places 73. And X is a side. Okay. The sides are named as what? According to the question, as newtons. So I'll write N. All right. So I'm leaving the second one for you. The second one is this one. This one. So try this. When I tried it, this is the answer I had. I had 35.6 meters. It's a side, so meters. Right. I hope you have enjoyed our lessons. Yeah. I'll be waiting for your comments. Stay connected with us for more other lovely and interesting videos. Thank you. God bless you.